Hey beauties, welcome back to Beautyistic. If you've ever struggled with keeping your gums healthy while trying to get that sparkling clean smile, you're not alone. Today, we're looking at something that promises to make that easier. The Oral-B Pro 1000 Rechargeable Electric Toothbrush in a pretty pink shade. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss a Beautyistic review that keeps your self-care game on point. The Oral-B Pro 1000 is designed to remove up to 100% more plaque along the gum line compared to a manual toothbrush, using dentist-inspired round brush head technology. It comes with features like a sensitive cleaning mode, gum pressure control that stops the brush if you're brushing too hard, and a handle-integrated quadrant timer that alerts you every 30 seconds to switch areas. There are also multiple brush head options for personalization, from deep clean to gentle or whitening modes. It's got a reliable, long-lasting battery with an LED charge indicator so you're never caught off guard. In real-life use, this toothbrush feels incredibly thorough without being harsh. The round brush head really reaches areas a manual brush just can't, and the gentle mode is perfect for sensitive gums. I found the gum pressure control particularly helpful. It gives a little buzz when you're brushing too hard, which is such a small feature but makes a huge difference. The timer keeps me honest about spending the right amount of time on each quadrant, which is something I often skip when brushing manually. One small thing to note, the handle is a bit bulkier than a regular toothbrush, so it may take a day or two to get used to. Pros? The cleaning performance is excellent, gums feel healthier, and the pressure sensor adds an extra layer of protection. It's easy to use, simple to charge, and the battery lasts long enough that I don't have to think about it constantly. The pink color is a cute bonus if you like a touch of style in your bathroom. On the flip side, it's more expensive than a standard manual brush, and the round brush head may feel unusual at first if you're used to a rectangular design. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to try it, the link is in the comments. When it comes to value, the Oral-B Pro 1000 is solidly priced for what you get. Yes, it's more expensive than a manual brush, but considering the technology, gum protection features, and thorough clean, it's justified. If you're on a tighter budget, there are simpler rechargeable brushes that still improve cleaning versus manual brushing, though they might lack the gum sensing tech. Build quality feels sturdy, and the battery is reliable. The brush head replacements are widely available, which is important for long-term use. There's really nothing flimsy about this product. It's built to last and designed to support healthy dental habits over time. Overall, the Oral-B Pro 1000 in pink lives up to its claims. It's a smart choice for anyone who wants an effective, gentle, and reliable way to care for their gums while keeping teeth clean. I'd especially recommend it to anyone with sensitive gums who wants a little extra guidance while brushing. Thanks so much for watching Beautyistic. The link to grab your own Oral-B Pro 1000 is in the comments and description box. If you've used this toothbrush, drop a comment below and share your experience. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.